I'm going to do a simple border design today. I have taken 6 strands of thread. I'll pick it up from here and just go down over here and then again on this line, just pick it up from here. Go through this stitch, not through the cloth, and go down once again. This way I am going to do the first line. It is like the chain stitch, but over here I am not going through the cloth, I am going through the stitch. Again the same thing. Go through this, not through the cloth. And put the needle down. This way I am going to do the first line. Try and maintain equal distance. Don't pull the thread too much. Just this. The first line is very simple. Just bring the thread down. Again. Pick it up from here. Go through this stitch and bring it down. After completing the first line, I have taken another shade of pink thread and again 6 strands, and I am going to begin from the second chain stitch. I'll pick it up from here. Again go through this one and come down here. This time don't pull the thread too much. Do not pull the thread too much. That's all. Just keep it slightly loose. Just keep it a bit loose. The same way we are going to continue doing this line also. I'll pick it up from here, from between this stitch. I'll go through this again, not through the cloth, through the stitches. Don't pull the thread too much, keep it a bit loose and bring it down. Don't pull the thread too much. Then it will be difficult for you to do the third step. This is the second step, and after this the third step is there. The same way I am going to continue the second step. I am going to pick it up from here. Don't pull the thread too much and go below this, not through the cloth, and go down. That's all. After completing the second line of chain stitch, I have taken green thread. I'll pick it up from here, pull that second stitch and bring the thread down. This way I am going to do this. I will do this for both the sides. First I am doing it for this side and then I am going to do it for the other side. For both the sides I am going to do this. Pull the second thread and just fix it over here. That's all. For both the sides I will do this. This way I will complete this line. After completing this side, I'll do the same thing for the other side also. Just pick it up, pull the second thread and put the needle down. That's all. The same thing for both the sides. Again over here, pull this second thread and put the needle down. The same way I am going to do for both the sides. And this is the way I am going to complete my border design. That's all. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, then kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you.